how to get only educational videos on YouTube. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to get only educational videos on your YouTube app. So now open the YouTube app like this. After you open the YouTube app like this, now all you have to do, go to this profile at the bottom. After you come to your profile, so as you can see now here it says search history. So tap on this view all history. So from this history, first of all you have to do now, tap on this three dot and clear all the watch history. So now clear all the watch history. So after you clear all your watch history, now go back to the home. After you come back to the home, now all you have to do now, tap on this search. So on the search, now go and search for the educational videos type that you want. Let's say now I wanted to learn mathematics or physics or chemistry. So I'll just type in like chemistry. So if I type in like chemistry like this, now just tap on the search. After you tap on the search, now allow it to finish loading. Now it will load all chemistry lessons for you. All you have to do now, go ahead now and open all these videos. As you can see now, you can like spend like 1 hour or like 30 minutes just by opening all the videos. Like this one, I'll open this video. So this video is not chemistry video, so this is chemistry video. I'll open the video. After I open the video, all you have to do now, even if you do not watch all the video, just like the video. After you open all the videos, just make sure to like the video. So open like 50 to 30 videos and like them. So if you like the video, after you open the video, from there you are giving a sign to YouTube that you need only your YouTube search or your YouTube YouTube feed to be only a chemistry video. So if you found a video that is not related to the video that you want, let's say this video, I don't want this video. So all I have to do now, I'll tap on this three dot. So and tap on this, like there is no interest, no interest. So just open the video like this now. So after you open the video like this now, if you don't want the video, sometimes it may gives you an option which says not interested. But as you can see now, it gives me this video because this video has chemistry at the title. It says chemistry. So latest Nigerian movie, Uche. So it has chemistry. That's why it just give me the video. So the video is related to chemistry. That's why. So if you like all the video and watch the video from there, your YouTube will just start giving you only educational content on your YouTube. That's it guys on how to get only educational videos on YouTube. After you open the videos, just like the video, like. By liking the videos, now you are giving sign that you only need educational videos and related to the topic that you search on your YouTube feed. That's it guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.